Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this DIY tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this super cute Tic Tac Toe wristlet. And on the other side of the wristlet, we have the black and white dotted bag. So it's very unique. It's part of the Natalie series, and I did it just to show you how to make something super unique that's all your own, that's also functional. And at the end of the video, I'll show you how you can actually play tic-tac-toe on it. So if this is something that you want to add to your wardrobe, stay tuned and I'll show you what I used to get this look. For this project, I used a black coach wristlet and E6000 glue. My very first step is going to be to establish a border along the edges of this wristlet. So along here and then along the sides. So I'm going to do that and come back and show you what it looks like. This is what the wristlet looks like now that the border has been completed. My next step will be to add the tic-tac-toe design. I've placed this measuring tape on the wristlet just to get an idea of where I want the tic-tac-toe pattern to go. And I think I'm going to place one here and one here, and by one I mean the horizontal lines. And then once I've established the horizontal lines and exactly how long I want them to be, I'll be able to establish the vertical lines. So I'm going to get started on that and show you my progress. This is the first line that I've established, and then I'm just going to measure down and do one more horizontal line, and then I'll be ready for the verticals. This is what the wristlet looks like now that both horizontal lines have been added. Each line has about 21 chalk white crystals in it. So if I count 7 over and then make a vertical line, it should be pretty even. The lines won't be completely straight, and I don't really mind that, but this is just a reminder to you that if you want a more precise look, you'll have to do a lot more measuring. So I'll get started and show you my progress. This is the design so far, and as you can see, the tic-tac-toe is forming. I'm going to add the last of the lines and show you how it looks. My tic-tac-toe board is complete, and I'm pretty pleased with how it turned out. My next step is to start beading. This is the beading so far. I'm going to keep going and check in. This is more progress on the beading. I'm going to finish up and show you the final result. So this is the final result, and as promised, I am showing you how you can play tic-tac-toe on the bag. These are quarters, and then I just played with pennies for the other player, and I measured it out so that the quarters would actually fit, and you can do the same thing. It was super easy and fun to make. As you can see, all you have to do is measure it out and you can make it work. So Natalie, I hope you enjoyed this. And to any other subscriber, if you have something that you want to see, let me know in the comments, and if I can make it, I will. And I'll probably name the series after you. So again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a really great week, and I will see you next time.